Hello, my name is Lorandt Fölkel from Würth Elektronik. I'm field application engineer, and today with my friend Bostjan from Analog Device, we will show you something about energy harvesting development kit.
My name is Bostjan Bitenc. I'm field application engineer working for Analog Devices, and together with Würth, we present today our Gleanergy Kit, which we jointly developed. The Gleanergy Kit is a collection of 3 boards. It's an energy harvesting board which contains various solutions provided by Analog Devices, including our battery life extending technology. It includes also a wireless sensor node and a shield which can be used to integrate various sensors.
Bostjan, what are the benefits for design engineer using this kit?
First of all, it's a kit which works out of the box, so a design engineer can pick it, open it, and is ready to go. Every part he needs is included on these 3 boards. As I mentioned, it's an energy harvesting board, wireless sensor network board, and also a shield. On the energy harvesting board, we have 2 transducers, solar and TEG, and customer can also connect a piezoelectric transducer or electromagnetic transducer or any other source he wants to use, and evaluate our 4 solutions which we provide on this board.
What I like in this kit, it is this shield PCB, this expander board, where the customer can put his own sensors or own development and then just take it and use it and don't need to buy anything else.
Another advantage is that prototyping gets very easy, and this is good for time to market, and time to market is important in our days.
More information about kit and where to get it is very simple. You can go to the website we-online.com/Gleanergy, and you have the whole application note and also availability from stock on this kit.
Yeah, you can also get more information about energy harvesting solutions on our webpage www.analog.com, or you can just ask our sales representatives and field application engineers you know. Thanks for watching our video, and goodbye.
See you next time. Bye bye.